All right. No sound, eh? Okay. Oh, now it is. Yeah, I guess there was no sound because I wasn't saying anything. I think that was the issue, right? All right, let's take a look at this over here. Let's take a look at the YouTube chat. Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome back to another New York session after a little bit of I don't know, busy days. What's this? Phone call? No, no. मैं नहीं जानना चाहता. मैं नहीं जानना चाहता. Okay. I think it wants to hear you breathe. How much do they owe you? They owe me 5,000. Could you give feedback to my chart? Let's take a look at this over here. Yeah, good. Looks good. We're arranging at this point. We are basically just consolidating. We formed support on gold. Like oh, man, such an amazing day here today. I mean, great sells, great amazing sells we had, great amazing buys we had on pound yen. I mean, didn't hold. It should have held, but you know, pound yen. But yeah, was actually pretty good. So far we're just consolidating here on gold. We have and we're gonna take a look at the news here later on as well. What we have in store for Thursday. We have FMC there. Increase in the rates. How come you have 3 tabs open? It's just, you know, because I'm Raja Banks. I just have 3 tabs open. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. Yeah, we're just consolidating here on gold now. This is a you know, 40 pip range. There's no reason I have 3 tabs open. I'm just going to take a look at these 2. Do you have some public group on Facebook? Nope. I don't have no public group on Facebook. No, nothing. So yeah, just gonna wait over here now because we're consolidating, right? Let's see over here. You changed my life. Went from somebody lost on the market to someone with the direction and knows what he's doing with all these free YouTube videos. MashaAllah. God bless you. Oh, nice, man. Imagine you're a part of Smart Raja Concepts. Imagine that you really learn the Smart Raja Concepts way. Imagine where you're going to be at that point. Just imagine. Imagine. You think Feds will raise the rates? Do I think Feds will raise the rates? Is that a matter of, you know, us thinking they're going to raise the rates? I think it's more than just thinking. I think it's more about just knowing that they're going to raise the rates because that's what they're saying. We're going to raise the rates, and that's what like you know Powell said that hey, we're going to raise the rates, so they're going to raise the rates. The question is, are they going to raise the rates by 250 basis points, or are they going to raise the rates by, like, you know, 50 basis points? Well, 25 or 50? That's the question. By how much are they going to raise the rates? That's the question. But they're still going to raise the rates, you know. So pound yen is pushing bullish here. We're here, you know, we're breaking above this resistance to the left hand side on pound yen. So, you know, I mean, I guess you could anticipate price to continue pushing up. That's correct. But looking at the 30-minute time frame, we're forming support. We're forming resistance right here. Support, resistance. Let's take a look at this right here. Okay, awesome. Simple analysis. Let's take a look at, yeah, I guess we are creating support resistance over here. Looking at the 30-minute time frame here as well. So I guess we'll have to wait for price to break above or below the zone here as well now. So we're just going to wait. The trade you took yesterday, were you on the chart when that pullback happened before it shot up and you exit? I was not on the chart. I put my stops at break even and then I just, like, you know, I just let it run after that. Yeah, that's what happened. No, we're about to take an L for the Gulag. No, for the Gulag, I'm not going to take an L because I'm not going to take a trade. I already took 2 trades. I made a very, very, very handsome, decent amount. Extremely handsome, decent amount. Really lucky to be able to do what I did today. So, yeah. You're active on LinkedIn? No. Whoever you're talking to on LinkedIn, that's not me. It's almost 4 days till now. I'm waiting for SRC email confirmation. Yeah, FX Fessel, we sent all that today. So you check email. Okay, so we're gonna look at the emails. Maybe tonight. Tonight, yeah, for sure tonight. Singapore was awesome. Was pretty good. May wanna look at some other countries as well, like Malaysia, Thailand. Like all that part of the world. So yeah, it was pretty interesting. Let's see here. So you're not looking to take any trades? Nope. Can you go through the trades you took? Already did on Instagram. I posted my analysis on Instagram. Went through all of them. How was it meeting Shoaib Akhtar? Good. It was good. I, I I actually introduced myself, and he's like, "Oh," I'm like, "Yeah," and then because he didn't know who I was, and he probably didn't really care who I was because I mean, Shoaib Akhtar, man. When you took the sell on gold, where would you have been your stop loss on gold? My stop loss was like, so I executed right here as it broke below the low, and it broke below the low in the last 5 minutes. So my stop was somewhere in the middle of this candle. It's just in the middle of the candle, and I was very lucky. Price just dropped, and then I put stops at break even, and that's it. That's all out. That's exactly how it went. Come to Barcelona. Haven't decided that yet. Um, have you been to Marina Bay Sands? Nope. I never went to Marina Bay Sands. No. Of course I did, man. Like, what else is there supposed to do? How long does it take to withdraw crypto? I'd say like less than 6 hours. With my email found, how can you help? Yeah, just send in Rich Nick. Rich Nick. Let's take a look at this over here. No account with that email address. Yeah, there's something definitely you're doing wrong. There's something you're definitely doing wrong because I checked and it's there. Just message me or email and we can just try to refresh it or whatever. Why is everyone asking about FXM? Who's asking about FXM? No one's asking about FXM. Probably like, it's just the voices in your head. Yeah, I should have just gone to JP Morgan. That's true. I'm gonna sell the point where you close your trade. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Sold at the bottom over here. Very, very risky. Very, very risky, and you're very lucky it went down. Yeah, don't send me an email, Rich Nick. Just message in Slack. Email me your email. No, fuck, man. Message your email on Slack. Still gotta have some time to get used to this chat again because I spent time with highly intellectual people, and now I'm back spending time with very, very low IQ gulag. So it's gonna take me some time to get used to. It's gonna take me some time to get used to, like, everything. So yeah. So just bear with me here. Thoughts on selling if the 4-hour breaks the own low? I don't know about the 4-hour breaking its own low. I'm just looking at the range over here, and that's all what I'm looking at. I wonder how the market will react if Trump gets arrested. Yep. I think Trump arrest is going to be a huge diversion of some sort. Not jet lag, gulag. Yep. Would you rather wait for a close below support? Absolutely. I'd wait for a candle to close below support. Then you got 22 pip range, so we'll see. Please answer. When I take one trade a day, get a TP. Didn't trade whole day. When I got stop loss, I trade more. Just don't trade more. Musically Pakistan. Maybe just focus on music instead of trading. Yeah. What should be the ideal lot size for 5K account? 0.5. Which crypto wallet is best and which wallet you're using? I'm using Binance. I mean, yeah, sure. If you were given $1,000 to starting capital, how much can you earn monthly realistically? Francis Tan, with that mindset of how much I can earn monthly from $1,000, I would stop trading. Would you start a funding company? Nope, too much headache. Server crashed this morning, wouldn't let me exit my trade, and Roger said they didn't pay him, so now without them. Oh, yeah. You're active on LinkedIn? Nope. We all understand that we should not exceed 2% loss of our account. That's true. What we really would like to know is what percentage loss shall we tolerate in lot size per trade. Velocity, that's totally up to you. Whatever you want to risk, whatever you want to lose is totally up to you. That's up to you. Your biggest trade, 300K plus, it's not $1 million account. It's $1 million account. Yep, it's a multi-million-dollar account. It's a $2.8 million account. I've started almost exactly 2 years ago. Exactly 2 years ago, and in 4 days, Dominion Markets is going to be exactly 2 years old. Like, we've been running this company for exactly 2 years now, and man, what a ride it has been. Incredible. What size is your account? $28 right here. So yeah, we have the NY open now, and yeah, just gotta wait now. Just gotta wait. You seem to enjoy your time in Singapore. Yes. Trump's arrest is diversion to take the heat off Putin. Sure. I'm holding pound yen for 4% in my account. Beautiful. This morning I took pound yen when London 1 hour candle breaks high. Awesome. With CAD news affect gold? Why? Why will CAD affect gold? My plan now, if I had one trade and it's a loss or break even, I stop trading. That's correct. If I win, can I have one more trade? No. One trade. You lose, call it a day. One trade. You win, you call it a day. That's all you got to do. But yeah, yesterday was one of the biggest trading days I've ever had in my career. It wasn't about how I felt about it. It's about how I felt about the move, not about the monetary gain. Yeah, it wasn't about the monetary gain. It's about the move that I caught. You know, it just amazing. Because before that, I had another trade which I closed early, and I knew I should have held it. Like, look, this trade right here, I held it for 450 pips, and look what happened to it. It ran for about 500 pips. 500 pips this trade ran, and I closed it after 450 pips. So this one right here, I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just going to put stops at break even, and let's see where it goes. And it ran for about almost 300 pips. So, you know, it was an amazing move. So I deserved that win. Got 2 winning trades today, but thinking maybe NY can offer another push for gold. Yeah, no, don't trade anymore. You're done. You got 2 trades, 2 winning trades. Just call it a day. I got 2 trades as well, and that's it. I call it a day. Will you be streaming for FMC? Yes. Yes, I will be. I try to make my winnings bigger. Often when I am 10 pips in profit, I do stop loss at break even. Yeah, you're a dumbass if you do that, man. Like, sorry for my language, but like, you know, everyone who, when they are in profits and they put stops at break even and they get stopped out at break even, you guys are idiots at this point. I mean, there's no idiot bigger than you at that point. You know, especially when you don't have the experience. Because, like, you know, here's the thing: when you put your stops at break even, that means you're accepting that break even outcome, right? So whenever you put stops at break even, secure 90%. Don't put your stops and break even if you're not going to secure, you know, 90% of the position. Make it a rule. I'm not going to repeat this rule. This is a multi-million-dollar rule I just told you about. Can you take a look at this trade? Let's take a look at this trade. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. I don't know what am I looking at. What am I looking at? Just sent a chart. You're just looking at an empty chart. Like an empty soul. Looking at someone's empty soul over there. All right, let's take a look at this chart over here by Sergio Marquina. Gold, Raja, when you take this trade, why you did not close your position? Because I put my stops at break even and I was not looking at the trade. I was out and about. I went to have lunch at Marina Bay Sands, had like with my videographer Caesar, had the best steak. We had some, like, you know, something. And on our way back, Caesar looked at the charts and he's like, wow, man, gold is still running. And I was like, oh, shit, okay. So from our car ride from Marina Bay Sands back to the hotel, it's a 20-minute ride. In that 20 minutes, I made $100,000 because price moved that much. And Caesar also took trades during that time. And I had this phone with me, and this phone does not have MetaTrader on it. Yeah, this phone does not have MetaTrader on it. So yeah. When you are up, sometimes you don't secure 90%. Yeah, I don't, because I'm in profits for the month. That's when I don't. Have you thought about making profitable business with dominion markets? Yep, I thought about it, and it's a lot of headaches, so I decided not to think about it anymore. It's a lot of headache, man. You just said don't put stop loss to break even unless you can buy, but you said yeah, because I am Raja Morgan. Raja Morgan can afford to do that. Raja Morgan Bank Stanley Lehman Brothers. All right, look at this pound yen over here. Yeah, this candle has to close over. Stanley Banks, yeah. Can you please talk about to stay disciplined and consistent? 1 to 2 trades a day. That's it. That's the most powerful statement you're going to hear today. Goldman Banks. MetaTrader are back in iOS. Raja, get it. I already have it. This is an Android, by the way. If you didn't notice it from the wallpaper, it's an Android. Yeah. Look at the range to the left in GJ. Yeah, I know about the range. I'm Raja Banks. I know about the charts. I know about the range. So we're just trying to close over here. We're only 5 minutes into NY session. Oh, look at this candle here. We're now breaking below the low. We're trying to move down. This candle has to break below this wick. I think it has to close below this area. Let's take a look on the 4-hour. 4-hour has a wick fill. Looking at the daily, daily is pushing down. Rejection, retracement probably. You know, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, I think it'll need to kind of like close. It'll be better to wait for a close because here's why, right? Here's why it's going to be better to wait for a close. Are you ready? You ready for the why? You ready for the why it's better to wait for the close? Are you ready? Let me tell you. Because this is a rejection area right here. Because price here rejected before, so it needs to close below this area for us to be confident it can continue pushing down. Name of my strategy, smart loss concept. Okay. Give it to me, Raja. I can take it. I'm ready. Okay. All right. How to anticipate a trade crisis? You can't. I deposited $500 in Dominion Markets after 1 week. It's still not a millionaire. This is a scam. Oh. Your thoughts on lots of funding companies emerging? Yeah, now it's oversaturated. You know, I mean, I think 6 months ago, it was a thriving market. But now it's oversaturated market. Now it's not thriving anymore. It's oversaturated. Just like a brokerage industry now. The brokerage industry with Forex and crypto, they're oversaturated now. Oversaturated. And even if yeah, it's way oversaturated now at this point. Like we have about 2,000 people watching right now, right? If 2,000 people here, whatever brokerage you guys trades on, look at the brokerage you're trading on and ask yourself, what benefit is that broker giving you apart from your timely deposits and withdrawals? What benefit is there for you to trade on your brokerage? There's nothing. There's no benefit. Trading on Dominion Markets, you get daily analysis posted on Dominion Markets. You get to get incentives with Magic Keys. You get to get education with incentives with Magic Keys. Go to the website of Dominion Markets. It's in the description, and you're going to see the incentives. Like, I mean, to trade somewhere, there needs to be a benefit. There needs to be a benefit, right? It has to be a benefit. Raja made 10 times more than ICT makes in a year in one trade. ICT, there are a lot of things people don't know about him. There are a lot of things they don't know about him, and they're not ready to know that either. You know, so we're not going to start that discussion. They're not ready to know. Yeah. What do you think about ICT? I think ICT is overhyped like Kim Kardashian. Yeah. That's the Kim Kardashian of the trading world. Overhyped. Way overhyped. Let's take a look at this over. Oh, yeah, okay. Look at this over here. Entry was taken on liquidity wick. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Not a risky trade. I think it was a great trade, great position. If you knew price is going to go down, you were confident about it. You took your entry where you thought your stop is going to be smaller and your profit is going to be bigger. Yeah, it's sick. Is sick. Yeah, sick entry. Raja bhai loss ho gaya, recover karwa do bata ke. So the question is, hey Raja bhai, I lost the trade. Please help me recover the trade. Bro, it's not virginity. We can't recover it. You know, no. All right, let's take a look at this over here. Can you take a look and tell me what could I have done better? All right, what are you looking at, Nicholas? Why you guys keep sending me just empty charts? What am I looking at? Which trade? Which trade are we looking at? From last year? Let's go to last year. Yeah, I don't know what I'm looking at. Many brokers put delay on executions. Yes, a lot of brokers put delay on executions, and the reason why is because you are getting booked. That's why they put the delay on executions. Because you're going to notice this, right? If you're in profits and sometimes you try to close your trade, it doesn't close because there's a delay, so you're getting booked. Because if you do close, you do make profits, those profits come out of the broker's pockets. But if you're in a loss, you close the trade, it gets closed instantly. Good evening, mentor. Good evening. Have you have a moment later? I could go over gold trade. You went from my view today. I was a bit hesitant. Telling was yeah, we already talked about that. Gold trade. We already talked about that. Best books to trade like me. There's no books to trade like me. Yeah. So we got the 15-minute candle closing over here. Once we close below this area, I think this is going to be a very good confirmation. Not a very good confirmation, but it's a good confirmation for a price to continue down. Why should I join Dominion Markets over other brokers? Sure. I want to open an account with 10K, but transferring funds from India is difficult. Yeah, you got to go talk to Modi about it. CPR and CAD, don't know, don't care. Raja scam concepts. Yep, scamming you into profitability. Made 40% in 6 months. It's all because of you, Raja. I'm watching your videos since 3 years. Thank you. Well done. No, I don't do challenges. Sorry. All right, we got the 15-minute candle closing over here now. Good evening to you. Good evening, my NY friend. When you come to London to train us, and how much do you charge? I charge $10,000 per minute to train you. How much slippage is there in Dominion markets? There is. I mean, if you're going to trade news, there's always going to be slippage. Raja, I love you, man, but I really hate when you win in live because I need to see how you manage losing trades. Well, I always lose in a live stream, so you can always see how I can manage a losing trade. What is your percentage loss that you Raja tolerate in lot size? I don't know. Yeah, so yeah, let's see over here. 500 lot? No, you can't open 500 lot. Any fan meetup in Dubai? Yes, probably gonna have a meetup in Dubai. I'm gonna be in Dubai during Ramadan, so probably gonna have some iftar or something like that. Whenever I about to open a trade, I have to go to the bathroom. Why? I don't know. Maybe you're just too excited. I don't know. Someone donated 10 Singaporean dollars. Thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Too kind. Way too kind. What's the biggest lot size you've used? 150. 150 lots. That's the biggest lots I've used so far. I know this might not like you, but why not camp in India? I don't know. Some can't even afford $100 in account. Yep. Yesterday and today I made $300 on Dominion Markets. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. How was the execution speed? Any chance of boot camp in Thailand? Yes. Thailand, yes. I'm gonna come down for a Muay Thai classes in Thailand. Muay Thai is coming up in Thailand. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yeah, I think it's gonna be great. Start a funded trading passing challenge. I don't need your $1,000. Why don't you withdraw money? I did withdraw money. If you want to take a look at my March results so far, March, I did withdraw money. March, I withdrew $42,000, 42,000 out of a very, very handsome amount I made in March so far. Canada Summer Boot Camp. No, oh, there we go. Candle has closed bearish. Now this candle has to wick up on gold, break below the low, and we can continue on pushing down. Continue to push down. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. Pound yen also closing above this area here. Yeah, looks good. It needs to wick down. This also needs to wick up a little bit and then continue. You see now, look at that. It's breaking the low in the first few seconds. This is where it gets risky to continue pushing down. All right, let's take a look at this chart here. Oh, okay. This is, what time frame is this? Where's the time frame? Where's the time frame, man? Where's the time frame? What time frame is this? 15-minute time frame. Got to see what the 30-minute time frame was doing at that point. Right here? Was it? Oh, yeah. The 30-minute had to break above the high too, because 15-minute is a weak confirmation time frame. Yeah, especially when we were dropping down. So, yeah. But you could have managed risk, right? Yeah, I guess now there's a good, very good probability for gold to continue pushing bearish. I mean, there's no technical level where you can have a stop. I think a good stop would be somewhere at 1965.70, right here, 1965.70, or whatever percentage you're risking, because this also gives you a really good idea to manage risk. Because if the 15-minute candle breaks its own high, you can close 50%. And if it closes bullish, you can close 50%. But still, this wick to the left hand side, you gotta. We need to cross below this area over here. This is tough right here. Even if you look on the 30-minute time frame, this one right here, yeah, tough. This is tough because below this area, you have the mother drop right here. Below this area, look, we had a rejection over here as well. Below this area, you got a nice, clean 50 pip drop coming up. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Oh, very nice cells. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. Raimondo Madoni scooter. I've deposited. Uh, please, I have all. Yeah, Ziad. We know exactly what happened over there. We know exactly what happened over there. You didn't look at your back office, and if you would have looked at your back office, there was no more TRX deposit methods, but you still sent money in the method that's not supported anymore. We removed that like a week ago. When we had this USDC, like this USDC thing happened, we removed it, and then you sent it again. So yeah. So we're just waiting. We're just waiting to get those funds back so we can deposit it in your wallet. So because of your negligence, it's because of your negligence. You didn't look at things properly. So now you got to pay the price. And the price you got to pay is to wait. I have been deposited automatically for weeks. Yeah, exactly. So now this is a lesson that you're going to learn that you need to check, double check, and triple check because money is important. This is a lesson you're going to learn, and now you're going to have to pay the price of waiting. But it's going to be there. It's not lost. We just have to do callbacks, and once it comes in, then we got to deposit. So we're just waiting for callbacks. It's very, very technical terms. So yeah, when is Magic Keys Mac version coming out? Soon. Is it okay if I wait the 30-minute candle to close the void, enter base 15-minute? No. No. No, 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 no. No. See this? We broke below the low. Ooh, damn. Look at that. Look at that. Nice move over there. Yeah, beautiful. Now it's done. Now this move is missed. I did it. Closed. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Zoom user took a sell. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Right? Nice 20 pips. Aziz took a sell. Quick 20 pips on 2 counts. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at this. Zoom guys over here. Zoomers. Look, quick 20 pips. Who else took the trade? Did someone else took the trade here in the YouTube chat? Do we have people in the YouTube chat who took this trade as well? Oh, look at that. Book 22 pips. Someone got 50 imaginary pips from somewhere. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Good one. 20 pips, 21 pips, 20 pips. Very nice. It was risky. I'm gonna say that it was risky. YouTube chat is also going nuts over here. 80 pip running profit. I think from all the way up over here, you're running 80 pips. But yeah, it's great. Someone made $5,500. Amazing, right? Wow, look at that. Who's holding now? Who's still holding? Yeah. Hope no one's holding. Holding. Oh shit. Yeah, man. It can't. Nah, it's just quick in and out. Comet Comics. That was Comet. No, there was a Comet Comics fucking move up over here. But yeah, yeah, it was very nice. It was risky. It was risky, but you know the probability was for price to continue pushing down. All right, let's take a look at this over here. This chart. This is oh, very nice. Oh, what the hell? Okay, nice, nice. A little risky. A little balls of steel over there. Beautiful. I'm profitable in the charts, but I struggle in life with waking up early and being disciplined. And I feel like I have no motivation to do anything. I really struggle with this. What should I do? Go to the gym, man. Go to the gym. I'm so excited to wake up, and the reason why I'm always excited to wake up because I'm excited to see what my body has to offer. Look at this. That's why I'm excited every day. Every day I wake up and I look at it in the mirror and I'm like, yes, Raja gains are coming in. It's every morning. That's why I get excited. I'm excited to look at myself, look at my gains. Like, you know, and then I'm excited to like, you know, meet my family, meet my kids, meet my wife, meet my parents, have beautiful breakfast. Stupid answer? Yeah, because stupid questions deserve stupid answers. And if you think that's a stupid answer, you probably don't love yourself enough. Yes, because if you love yourself, you're gonna be like, wow, Raja, that's a really good answer. You probably hate yourself. But when you hate yourself, no one's gonna love you. When no one's gonna love you, life is just gonna feel like shit for you every waking day. Every waking day, you're gonna feel like shit. How long will you be on the stream for? Probably for another, I think half an hour or so. Yeah, half an hour. We gotta go get KFC. Because Ramadan is coming, so we gotta eat all the junk we can before Ramadan comes, and then we're gonna have a nice, easy 30-day Ramadan. Yeah, KFC is good. KFC is good, but if you really want to eat KFC, McDonald's, and shit like that, uh, remove the top bun or remove the bottom bun. Just less carbs. Yeah. Look at pound yen. Went nowhere. See this? This is where it's important to wait for the highs to get broken once we close above or below the range. This candle has to break above the high for you to have enough confidence it's going to continue to push up, right? Just like right here on gold. We broke below the low. We're like, okay, we can go down. We went down. Some guy held it like retards. Now you're in a drawdown. But some guys closed it and they're probably good. What's up with GJ Flying? I don't know. Language, my kid is watching. This is a 18 plus show anyway, so why the fuck is your kid watching this show? It's an 18 plus. BTC to 1 million 90 days, sure. Bro, I exactly do that. Buns are just modern waste. Yep. GJ clean traffic. Later should be a nice day for sure. Yep. Do you take trades according to your No, I don't. How to know when should I wait? So this is a very good question. This is a very good question. There are different scenarios, right? So the question is, how do I know when I should wait for the 15-minute to close versus 30-minute to close? Wait, I got to change my vest. I don't like it. I bought these new vests, and I don't. I like the woman beater better. Yeah, I'll be back. Oh yeah, I feel much better now. It's starting to get cold over here in Pakistan too, man. All right. Pound yen. Yeah, we gotta we gotta break above this high on pound yen to continue pushing bullish. Isn't it haram to swear? Isn't it haram to take pictures? Don't you take selfies? Isn't it haram to drink things that hurt your body, like Coca-Cola, like processed carbs, processed food? Yo, isn't that haram? What the hell are you talking about? Hypocrisy. That's the number one hypocrisy right there. All right. What about the question? What question? What question was there? Any chance for gold fake outs? How how do I know if there's a chance for gold fake out? How do I know if a fake out's going to happen? Price is going to close back in the range, and then we're going to know it's a fake out. But before that happens, we don't know if there's going to be a fake out. This was a question. How to know when I should? Oh yeah, okay, okay. So how to know when to wait for the 30-minute versus 15-minute? There are different scenarios, right? There are different. I wouldn't say conditions, but in this case, it was better to wait for the 15-minute candle to close below because there was volume, there was NY open, the price was pushing down, you know. There was so that's why it was better to wait for the 15-minute candle to close and then anticipate the next one to go, so and that's something you learn from experience, right? If this 15-minute candle close was also the 30-minute close, then you basically waited for the 30-minute candle to close. But this 15-minute candle close was in NY open, there was volume, so yeah, I mean, then it was better to wait for the 15-minute candle to close because it closed in this range and then this becomes a wick fill. Why not an impulse entry on GJ earlier if we had two exhaustion candles? Because we need to break above this high, that's why. Oh, by the way, guys, I bought my first Louis Vuitton belt in my life. This is the first luxury belt I ever bought, and I haven't worn it yet because I don't know how to wear it, to be honest. So, and I think it was a waste of money, to be honest. Yeah, look, this came in this nice package. See this? This is the first time I've seen a Louis Vuitton original belt, and I'm gonna open it. I haven't opened it yet. I bought it, and haven't opened it. How much this cost? I think this was like $400 something, $400, something like that. Does this have a tag on it? Yeah, it has a tag on it, but it has no price on it. Yeah, look at this, Louis Vuitton. I don't think this is leather though. I think this is canvas. Yeah, it's not leather. No, it's not leather. It's some, I mean, made in what? Made in Spain. Some Latino guy made it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have no idea how much this is 850. Yeah, I have no idea how much this costs. No clue. I just bought it. I know the bag I bought was a lot. It was like 2,000, 2 grand with good quality. Did you guys know that brands, these luxury brands like, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and all these brands, they have two types of products? Did you guys know that? They have two types of products. Number one type is the one you see which has like their brand printed all over the place, right? It's going to say LV, 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 or like Gucci, 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 like or like Ferragamo, Ferragamo, Ferragamo. It's going to have that everywhere plastered on the product. That's the first one. The second one they have is a product that has no brand on it, that has no branding on it whatsoever, and those are their premium lines, which are much more expensive, right? So we went to the LV store on the airport, and I'm like, hey, I'm looking for a messenger bag, and they kept showing me these bags which had like LV, 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 LV on it, and I'm like, man, like anyone can buy a fake LV bag that looks just like this, and I'm like, okay, show me something that no one buys, or show me something that has no brand on it. And she's like, oh, it's a little like, special, it costs more. I'm like, show it to me. And then she showed me the bag, and I'm like, oh wow, yeah. Because this bag I bought only has one place where it has the brand on it. So if you look at the bag from the side or the back, you wouldn't know it's a Louis Vuitton bag. You wouldn't know it's a Louis Vuitton bag. Apart from the fact if you look at it from the front, because it has a small LV sign on it. That's it. So, and she's like, yeah. So she told me like, yeah, yeah, like, you know what, these are that. And I'm like, why were you hiding this? Because they had it in the bottom purse. All right, let's take a look at this pound yen. Oh, okay, so pound yen's coming back over here. Candles, but candle actually closed the 30-minute candle. This new 30-minute candle starting over here. A lot of volume. Stops are gonna, yeah, way too big stops over here. Just gonna wait, man. Nothing like no. Just wait for the 15-minute candle. Here's the thing: when you see a candle move, right? When you see a candle move, and you're like, oh shit, candle has moved. Should I take a trade? Wait for the candle to close. Wait for the candle to close. Reminded me of the same exact design of Prada card holder. Yeah, yeah, because Prada only had one place. This one special hands you the unbranded plastic bag. That'll be 20,000. What do you think about Singapore? Will you be coming back? No, we'll go to Kuala Lumpur. Is 2 pairs enough to trade? Yes. Please start a WhatsApp group. And prior to your, no, I'm not going to try to start a WhatsApp group. But yeah, nah, like nothing. Pound yen, nothing. No, no trade, nothing. Don't take in trade. What brand is your sweatshirt? Polo. Beverly Hills Polo. Yeah, So I think gold is doing some sort of a retest here to continue pushing down, I guess. But yeah, we'll see. Capital Henry said gold can touch 1940. Sure, gold's gonna break 2000, I think, with all these banking crises happening. Do you think GJ is fake out? Nope. For it to be a fake out, it needs to close above zone and come back inside. I saw a very nice pair of jeans. One time it took me like 2 minutes to see the brand. It was Gucci. Oh yeah, those are pricey. Those are pricey. What is your answer to Sharia scholars saying CFD is haram? Sharia scholars don't know jack shit about CFDs, or they don't know jack shit about trading or Forex or derivatives or none of that. Sharia scholars don't know anything about all this. They don't know anything about all this, man. You trade smart money concepts? No, I don't trade smart money concepts. Smart money concepts are very, very confusing, very, very difficult, very, very like just filled with rocket science. It's there to confuse the retail trader who's new to the markets. I trade what we call smart Raja concepts. Very, very, very simple stuff. That's what we trade. I even started a my FX book based on smart Raja concepts, and I'm going to share that here with you guys. Um, Sharia scholars actually told me that smart money concepts is haram because there's no such thing as smart money concepts. So let me show you here the stats I had from trading smart Raja concepts. I'm just going to wait for my FX books to sign up, and then I'm going to show you the stats so far. It would be interesting to see a conversation between you and the creator of smart money concepts. Yeah, they're probably going to confuse me with things like volume derivatives and pullback, retail something something something, and then I'm going to be looking at a chart and I'm going to say, oh look, we broke the low. I'm taking a sell, and they'll say, oh no, we're gonna. Because here's the thing, a lot of people so I'm really good friends with a lot of people who trade smart money concepts. It's not like I totally hate it, but the method is just so stupid because I have a lot of friends who do that and they're like, bro, how did you take a sell on gold? Because we were waiting for a pullback to take a sell. And I'm like, why the fuck were you waiting for a pullback to take a sell where the sells were clear as day? We broke below the low, range to the left hand side, pre-London volume, you sell. And they're like, oh no, we're waiting for an imbalance and change of structure and pull back to take a sell. I'm like, God, man, fuck, you guys are so fucking stupid, you know. And and they're like, yeah, you know what, like we always wait for pullbacks and we miss moves. Well, here's your move. Smart Raja concept, simple. Look at that bicep right there. Wow. Oof. I can just keep my hand like this. Anyway, have you heard of an energetic displacement candle? Yeah, I think this was an energetic displacement candle. No, I haven't. Um, all right, let's sign in over here. Here's my password. Okay, so this is my FX book right here. I'm going to go to portfolio. All right, it's going to load up. Yeah, is it just me or is my FX book slow here today? I tried logging in here earlier as well to see my stats, but yeah, it's slow, right? Yeah, yeah, lagging. Like any plan for Indonesia? No, no plan for Indonesia. I'm not gonna go to any place now where they've banned marijuana. No, I can't deal with that. No. Simple. Okay. All right. While doing 9 to 5 job in UAE, it's hard to take good trades in peak hours. Need your expert opinion. Look at high time frames. Yeah, it's slow, right? Yeah, it's not even loading. Um, where should I place stop loss and impulse entries? You first really gotta learn and understand what impulse entries are before even looking at. Okay, there we go. Smart Raja concepts, SRC. All right, take a look at this. Dominion markets, technical, 1 to 100 leverage. Payback was $680, per year if you have this payback FX. Verified, right? Deposit was 5,000. And oh, by the way, this link is by the way public. You can Google it as well. Here's the link right here for everybody on the yeah. Yeah. 2022. Look at this. Look at these results, man. 100% every month with Smart Raja concepts. How much was the risk? Risk was like 2%, 3% risk. Let's take a look at yeah, look at the 121 trades, right? 121 trades. Actually, what am I doing? Yeah, let me show you here. So open date. Um, oh yeah, see right here. 0.25, 0.05, 0.5, 0.15 lots. This was a mistake. So first withdrawal was 150. So withdrawals just start to get bigger and bigger. $150 withdrawal, then had a $200 withdrawal, and then had a $500 withdrawal and another $500 withdrawal. This was in October. Let's take a look at then the first $1,000 withdrawal, right? First $1,000 withdrawal, and then there was a $500 withdrawal, 319. Let's take a look at this right here. $1,000 withdrawal. Let's take a look at right. So total withdrawal was then $30,000 withdrawal. You want to take a look at my retirement account? Are you guys ready? You guys ready to take it all in? Take a look at my retirement account. Something that's gonna keep me in the game for a long time. Let's take a look at this retirement account. Guess what? Everything's verified. Track record verified. Everything verified. Daily 1.2%. Monthly 43%. Look at my profitability. My profitability isn't massive. 58%. 56% long, 60% short. Look at this. February 32% gain. Not 100%. Nothing crazy. Look at 2022. 33%, 30%, 28%, 47%, 21%. 2021 had a number of like pretty good months, but like, other than that, just small percentages. 800 trades so far. Yeah, this is cumulative gain. I mean, 500,000%. This is cumulative gain, So if you compound 1.2 over, 2 years, this is the number you get. But I think this is not exactly what it is. Like you got to look at it monthly. Monthly was 77.45, 36.45, like this. Like this is just stupid the way they have it over here. You look at profit over here too. Over time, profit increase. See that 1.8, 1.2. Yeah. Yep. Gold 15-minute candle is about to close. And if the next candle breaks below this low, then I think we can continue pushing down. News about Uncle Ted and Traders Domain. Guys, I have no idea what the fuck is going on. I have no clue. I have no idea what's going on over there. I don't know anything to even talk about it. No idea. Don't know. And honestly, I don't care. How can banks manipulate the market? They don't manipulate the market. Banks don't care about your $1,000 accounts, man. If you guys think banks are after your $500 account, your $1,000 account, man, no. That's not the case. Banks don't care about your accounts. They don't manipulate the markets. If you can read candles, you can trade candles, that's all what you want to do. Smart money, I think it's a dumb retard money concept. What they're going to think is that, they can see where banks go. Smoking weed is haram in Islam. So what's your view on this? Be quiet. What's the best way to take profits? Is it to do with levels or RR? Levels. They literally explain everything and prove it. I'm stuck and not trading due to it. Brother, don't listen to them. ये जो मौलवी है ना, मौलवी और ये मुफ्ती और ये मुलाने हैं, इनको कुछ नहीं पता है यार. इनके जो अपने काम है, ये बड़े हराम काम है इनके. आपकी दुआएं कबूल होंगी जी, हमें इतना दें, हमें उतना दें, मस्जिद में सदका दें, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. ये सदका पे जो सारा इनके पेट में जाता है. पेट देखें इनके मौलवियों के, सारे मौलवियों के देखें पेट. आप सारे मौलवी जो है ना, पीते हैं कोक, ये स्प्राइट, 7 अप. पेट देखो जी, टेढ़ इनके किधर जा रहे हैं. ये हराम है. Number one thing haram which these haramis don't tell you is not taking care of your body is the biggest haram you can do in religion. If you look at any religion, they all say take care of yourself and have a good body, be healthy. All these Maulanas, these guys, they're all fat, unfit. That's the biggest haram thing these haramis are doing. And then they say, oh, Forex is haram. Bro, come on. Making money is not haram. Haath hola rakhein, Raja bhai. Is it true if you don't stay in Dubai for more than 180 days, your business visa will expire? No, your resident visa or something like that. Bro, what was your stop loss for gold sell? We already talked about it. The 15-minute candle is about to close on gold. I think if we do close bearish, the next one can wake up and continue pushing down. We can get that. And oh yeah, look at that. So now that's a difference between, should you wait for the 30-minute candle to close for a sell, or should you wait for the 15-minute candle to close for a sell, right? So now that question is going to be answered by waiting for the 15-minute candle to close in about 40 seconds. Yeah. Now we got to wait for the 15-minute candle to close to decide. Does your stay in Dubai has to do with anything with income taxes? Yep. Which pair do you recommend for beginner? Pound yen. Yeah. Okay, so now the way the 15-minute candle is closing, I think it's going to be better to wait for the 30-minute candle to close, because we look at the body of the 15-minute, it's not that strong of a body. I don't want to do anything at this point. Yeah, no, nothing. Even if this candle moves down, I'm totally fine with it. I'm just going to wait for the 30-minute candle to close, because look at this body, the 15-minute candle closed strong. This one, whatever, so yeah. And I'm not trading anyway, so, oh, look at this pound yen. Pound yen, look at the 30-minute. 30-minute is still open. Yeah, in pound yen case, you have to wait for the 30-minute, because you have support right here in the 30-minute time frame, right? Look, you got support right over here. So you have to wait for the 30-minute candle to close, because if you take a sell on 15-minute, you're like what? You're running into support like 12 pips away. That's nothing. Taxes are the commissions of the poor. That's correct. I don't know, but yeah, sure. What's the feeling of becoming a first millionaire in your family? I'm not the first millionaire in my family, brother. I have millionaires in my family. My cousin, he's a sports guy. He's a millionaire. I have a relative. Um, he won a lottery. He won a lottery for about million something pounds, like 10, 12 years. Yeah, I don't think he's a millionaire, but like my other uncle, he's a millionaire, so yeah, I'm not the first one. Probably the second youngest millionaire in the family. Yeah, the second youngest. I would say so, the second youngest. Yeah. Is it possible in future that you can have a boot camp in India? Yep. What's the feeling of becoming? Oh, yeah. And my Kasser Butt student is also a millionaire. Yes, sir. We are all millionaires. We have to be millionaires. I think Kasser Butt's mindset and work ethic is $1 million work ethic. Yes. $1 million work ethic. PKR to USD. I think the work ethic needs to be oh wow, 281 जी, डॉलर 280 इक्यासी कितने होते हैं जी? 1 billion rupees. 1 billion कितने होते हैं जी? 10,000, 100,000, 100,000, 100,000 million, 1, 2, 3, 35, 3. Oh, $3 million is 1 billion Pakistani rupees. I'm a billionaire in Pakistan. I'm a billionaire. Yeah. Oh man, such a yaar. $3.5 million makes you a billionaire in Pakistan. क्या गया जी rupees का? क्या हो गया जी rupees का? Will you ever fly private? Yeah, maybe this year sometime, maybe this year sometime. Let's see if it happens. Is your strategy based on support resistance? Yep. What do you think of Imran Khan? I think all the politicians, they are rich. All politicians are rich, and the people who they tell to support them, they're all poor. Poor with mindset, poor with money, poor with everything. And they support these politicians, and it's so sad. So sad. Yeah. All these politicians are rich. All these politicians, their kids their kids are abroad in great schools. They have homes abroad. They're all doing well, and the people they tell them to support, they're all poor. Come on, man, it's just so unfair. Give me a loan or donation? No. As a pilot and SRC student, I call dibs to be your pilot when you buy a jet. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. My family runs a private charter company, so if you want good deals on private flights, let me know. Okay, Lewis, send me a message on Slack. We might get something done. We're 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 basically looking to fly from Dubai to Amsterdam, somewhere in April or something like that. Yeah, Dubai to Amsterdam. Got to meet someone, but it has to be a quick trip, 1 day trip. So yeah, we'll see. Living in Dubai, don't you pay taxes if your income becomes outside Dubai? Nope, 0% tax. My friend always profit with minimum target 100 pip. Wow. They've done flights for Simon Cowell, so they'll be able to sort something out with message on Slack. Awesome, thank you, man. We'll see. So far, we're looking at JetX, but yeah, we'll see. Do you love your mom or wife more? Yeah, love doesn't exist. Love doesn't exist because if you look at it this way, if you love someone, that someone is going to die. What's going to happen then to your life? Is your life going to stop? Is the world going to stop to mourn your loss? No, the world is not going to stop to mourn your loss. The world is going to keep moving on, and you'll have to keep moving on. So love is a destructive idea for your I think for your well-being. It's a very destructive idea. So I think we should not look into that a lot. Like, love does exist, sir. No, it does not exist. Yeah, I don't know any successful person who loves somebody. Like you can care for someone, but I don't know any successful person that loves somebody. Yeah. So you don't love your kids? No, I care for them. Living the way we can send money to own country? Sure. Check out Four Seasons private jet program. I work for them. Okay, we'll check them out. I love you, Raja. Oh, thank you, man. Money bring happiness? No, money doesn't bring happiness. How can we make money from 0.01? No, just quit. Quit trading. How to overcome execution phase? Just execute. Why are you lying about your trades? You're not trading with your students and you're fooling everyone here. Wow, somebody's mad, man. Damn. Somebody is big mad. Wow. Guy is super mad. All right, let's take a look at this over here. This is my Twitter account, right? Oh, 47,000 followers. Amazing. So this is my Twitter account. And let's take a look at something. Okay, let's take a look at this trade I had this morning. I made $11,000, right? Let's take a look at the comments over here. Yeah, how do you see the comments? What's going on? Oh, okay. Let's take a look at the comments. Look, this guy had the same trade, right? All right, let's bring up this retard YouTube chat over here. This guy had the same trade. And then, no, this is just for motivational purposes that if I take the same trades, people do take the same trades. This guy had the same trades of the high time frame. This guy had the same trade. This guy had the same trade right here, same trade right here, same trade right here, same trade. So are all these people faking their results? Are they all faking results? Look, this guy even sent a video. Same trade over here. Fuck this. Let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at where I made $300,000, right? Let's take a look at that one right here. Yeah, this one right here. Okay. All right, look at this. Look at it. This guy took multiple buys along the way. Multiple buys, right? Look at this one. Was this? Oh, wow. Look at this, man. Holy, 0.1 lot, daily time frame. This one right here, buys, more buys over here. We can go on and on, man. Buys over here, buys over here. We can go on and on. Buys over here. One lot. Look at this. Exactly the same entry, and he was still holding. 2005. He didn't close. Same entry, right? So how are these? How are they different? You got to look at it this way in life, right? People can do amazing things in life. Like life is meant to do amazing things, and if you can't do amazing things, it doesn't mean no one else can do amazing things. It does mean that there are people better than you, smarter than you, and doing way better than you in every field of scope that you can look into. And all these people, they understand smart Raja concepts, they understand candle movements, they've been learning on the live stream, they've been learning on YouTube chat, on Twitter. They learn and they execute and they're successful. right? So there are two types of people who look at all this and they say, oh, it's a scam, this is bad, blah, 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 blah. And they just like, they just fail and fail and fail and fail. And then second group of people is who look at this and they're like, what did this guy do that I didn't do? And then they learn. They learn, and they're like, okay, this makes sense. And they are successful. Those are successful people. Yeah. Good to see you back. Hope all is well. Thank you, bro. Everything is well. Hello from Mauritius Island. Thank you, thank you. When will you be in Kuala Lumpur? I think I'm going to be in Mauritius before I'm going to be in Kuala Lumpur. Don't ask me why I'm going to be in Mauritius, but I'm going to be there. Got some work to do. Why can't you look at my FX book hourly stats? I don't know. The devil is mad at you. Can't please everyone all the time. That's true. All those people should show the results for last year, not just one trade, bro. Hey, man, now see, there's another negativity right there. What if they are successful? What if they are successful, man? What if? What if? See, here's the thing. Don't focus on why someone else is successful. Focus on why are you not successful. Because you focusing on others, how they are successful, and like what maybe they may be doing, that's not going to make you better. That's going to keep you in the same place. But at the end of the day, okay, here's the thing, right? Here's what I used to do. I used to look at people who were doing more than me. I used to look at them every day. I used to look at the stories every day, and I would burn inside. I would burn inside. I would get mad, and I would feel bad. And you know what I did? I stopped looking at them. So if someone's success bothers you, don't look at them. Ignore them. Because the more you look at me, the more you look at me succeed, the more you're gonna cry, burn, and get mad. Yeah. Are you going to give any trade? No. Well, we did, I guess, the sell over here, but yeah, that's about it. I'm not trading anymore. Can you look at your USD? I'm on floating loss, just manage risk. All right, guys, so we have 2,300 people watching. If we don't get to 2,000 likes, the stream is going to end in 4 minutes. If we don't get to 2,000 likes, we are at 650 likes. And the price you have to pay for this live stream is 1,400 more likes. So if you don't get to 2,000 likes, the stream is going to end in 3 minutes now. 3 minutes. For me, your inspiration, motivation, thank you, man. Appreciate it. We are at 800 likes now. We need 1,200 more. Like you, Habibinese, yes. What are your 3 best pairs of scalping, gold and pound yen? When are you coming to London, England for seminar? I've seen your Dominion truck every day. London, England? I don't know. Probably summertime. But I don't like London, man. I hate it. I hate London. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like London. It's too much. Appreciate some effort. 1K is good. No, 2,000. Where would you be looking to ride the gold sells to 940? Nowhere. I'm done for the day. When coming to Lahore? No idea. I would like to learn how and where. There's a link in my description for Smart Raja Concepts. How did you realize you had a breakthrough? So this is something we talked about during the boot camp, and it's not about realizing you have a breakthrough. It's about realizing how many bills can you pay from trading. That's all what it is. How many bills you can pay from trading. If you can pay, let's say, your major bills from trading, you're going to have a breakthrough. Ever got stabbed in London? Sean Lee wanted to stab me in London, and he said I'm going to get slashed and stabbed and all that bullshit, but nothing happened. I'd like to learn GJ. Go ahead. No one's stopping you. Literally, no one is stopping you from being successful. No one is stopping you from being successful. Do you call trades to your students? No. So we got 2 minutes left, and we are at 1,100 likes. We need 2,000 for the live stream to continue. If we don't get to 2,000, live stream is gonna end in 1 minute and 10 seconds. Differentiate different between GJ and SRC. Those are 2 completely different things. Let's take a look at pound yen. Yeah, see that sell, that wasn't a sell. Look at that, went going right. If this candle now closes back in the range, this move down is then a fake out. That's a fake out. then you could say that's a fake out. बस जी आप ओवर ट्रेडिंग ना करें तो बड़ी मेहरबानी होगी आपकी. ओवर ट्रेडिंग करना छोड़ दें आप. We have 30 seconds left and we are 1216 likes. We need 2000 likes for the live stream to continue. What does gulag mean? You are in it. Look around. I'm up 395 euros in 2 months, risking 100 euro per trade. Beautiful. Your pick with Shoaib Akhtar was hilarious. It seemed like you woke him up early basis. Yeah, I actually knocked on his door. I knocked on his door and I'm like, hey, you're Shoaib Akhtar, right? He's like, he's a G. It was so hilarious, man. It was so hilarious. Then I said, I'm Raja Banks. He's like, oh, okay. We chit-chatted for a little bit. And then I'm like, शोएब क्या ही बात है जी, बिजनेस क्लास में पिक्चर हो जाएगा आपके साथ. कहते हैं हाँ जी ले लें आप. Oh fuck, it was so funny. It was really hilarious. What's your fee for course and all? It's all right. We're at okay. So guys, I have to leave right now. Thank you so much for keeping up with the live stream. I really appreciate it. This time we didn't get to 2,000 likes, so we'll have to end the stream. We will see you tomorrow, same time, same channel. Buy now after the fake out, man. After the fake, this is 15-minute candle closing, 30-minute candle close above. Ooh, yeah. If you're looking for buy, just wait for price to break and close above this area, because I think a 30-minute fake out would have been much better. But anyway, take care, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. And yeah, don't overtrade and be safe.